little babies? Who wants to go out? Good morning, my little cupcakes. Yeah, you want to go out? Come on. Let's go out. Come on. Let's go out. Yeah. You love out. Come on. Come on, babies. Yeah, it's morning time. Let's go play. Hello. And this is what it's like when we say the word out. Isn't it cute? They like it. Pups are 34 days old today. It's about 6:15 in the morning. And freedom. Sweet freedom for the babies. Oop, stop playing for a minute. Come on, Mom, give us a drink. You know it has to hurt her. Their teeth are so sharp. She only nurses a couple times a day, and she only does it very briefly. There's not much left for them to have, but that's all part of it. She's giving them antibodies that they need and nutrition that they still require, and and they fight for the best spot. See, that's about all they get. Good morning, babies. So, while they're out having fun, I'm going to go get that pen all sanitized and get it ready for a new day. I just love them. Okay, friends. Chop chop. Got work to do. I'll talk to you later.